Hi there guys, in this video we're going to have a look at how we can jump straight into binomials and find coefficients of pretty much whatever term that we like. And in this question we've got the x cubed term. Now there is an option of just going through the whole binomial process, finding all of the terms and just looking at the x cubed term, but there's no need, it's much quicker. Now we're going to use the NCR function, so if you have no idea what that is, you're going to have to check out an earlier video on what that is. So we have n, we're going to choose r, and we're going to choose the value of r that will allow us to go straight in to find the x cubed term. And I'm sure you're aware that when you expand this, you're going to have a x to the 5 term, an x to the 4 term, an x cubed term, x squared, x1, and x to the 0. So it's just a matter of how we go straight in. So we have 5, and we're going to choose. And at this stage, you might not know what the value is there, so I'm gonna just take you through from the beginning. Now, most teachers will show you that although the books write all your binomials out in a long line this way, you'll often run out of paper. So most people tend to opt to write it vertically. So you've just got to think. So here's my first term, here's my second term, and normally you'd have a long list of all of these. But I want the x cubed term. So if I put a 3 there, it's this term that's going to give me the x value, so that has to be x cubed. Now you should also know, if that's a 3 and we've got a total of 5, that these powers need to add up to this. If you didn't know that, just have a look at all your previous examples that you've done, you'll notice that is true. And also, whatever is on this term, the power of this term, is always this one here. Now that's how I like to do it. It doesn't actually matter which power you choose there, because of the symmetry of Pascal's triangle, but it's a good habit to get into, I think. Now it's just a matter of working these out. So what is have 5 choose 3? That is 10. Okay, so then 4 squared is 16 minus 2x cubed, well, odd power, so this stays negative, so that's going to be minus 8x cubed. And now we just have to work out what 10 times 16 times negative 8 is. Just type it in your calculator and you will get that. So nice and simple, you can go straight in as long as you know how these patterns work.